Hello everyone, welcome to Wine Masters. I'm Harshita Aliveli. Today we have Ganesh with us, who is from Balapur, Maharashtra, and he got placed in Wipro recently. He is here to share his experience with us. Let's talk to him and get to know about the entire interview process in detail. So, hi Ganesh.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Hello, friends. My name is Ganesh More. I am from Balapur, district Akola in Maharashtra. I completed my graduation BE from Mauli Group of Institution, College of Engineering and Technology, Shegaon,
Okay.
Maharashtra.
Okay.
Uh, I complete. I am joining. I joined the Quant Master in batch 12 in month of July.
Okay.
Uh, yes, ma'am.
So, what's the job role and the package offered in Wipro, Ganesh?
Ma'am, my designation is project as a project engineer in
Okay.
the Wipro Technologies, and I placed at the location Pune.
Okay. Okay. Super. And what's the package?
My package is ma'am 3.5 LPA.
3.5 lakhs per annum. Super. Yeah. So then do you remember like how many rounds were there, Ganesh, total?
Ma'am, there is total 3 rounds. First is the assessment, which is held in January 26th.
Okay.
In assessment, there is a logical reasoning, quantitative
So first
aptitude.
round happened in the month of January.
Yes, ma'am.
January 25th, right?
26th.
January 26th, 2021, the first round happened. Was this an on-campus or an off-campus interview, Ganesh?
It is off-campus interview, ma'am.
This was an off-campus interview. So you are currently studying or finished?
Finished, ma'am.
You are finished.
Finished.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, super, super. Yeah. First round happened in the month of January. Please tell us about the first round, Ganesh.
Ma'am, in first round, there is a first session of verbal ability, verbal aptitude. After that, quantitative aptitude, and there is one extra section of essay writing.
Essay rating. What
Yes,
about
ma'am.
logical reasoning?
Ma'am, in logical reasoning, there is a questions on tenses or speech.
No, I'm asking like you had three sections, right? One was
Two
verbal
section.
and the other was quantitative and then essay rating. You didn't have any logical reasoning questions?
Ma'am, there is a question on logical reasoning like on tenses or change in speech.
Okay. So that's
Yes,
verbal,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Tell us about the verbal section. Yeah, go ahead. How many questions were there? What time was given?
Ma'am, there is a total 22 questions in verbal ability.
Okay.
Uh, there is a sessions like verbal ability, logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, writing communication, and one more round of coding. There is a two codes in coding session. One is easy and one is hard.
Okay, yeah. Let's talk about the verbal section. First section was verbal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell us
In
about how many questions were there in verbal, Ganesh?
ma'am, there is 22 questions in verbal section, and
Okay.
time given for that is 18 minutes.
18 minutes. So you had
Uh,
sectional time. For every section, you had separate time.
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I
yeah.
have.
How difficult were those questions, Ganesh?
Ma'am, I can't remember exactly, but the
Okay.
questions are easy.
Easy. You could answer them easily.
Yes, ma'am. I have only problem in quantitative aptitude, in
Okay.
numerical ability. Yes, ma'am.
That was the
And
second section, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell us about it.
So, ma'am, the numerical ability questions uh, like square root questions, or I have problems in calculating the numbers.
Okay.
I take time in calculations.
Okay.
So, ma'am, I didn't completed the all the questions in the mentioned time.
Okay, you couldn't do. How much time was given for
For
completing?
quantitative aptitude, 16 questions in 16 minutes.
Okay, you just had 1 minute for every question.
Yes, ma'am. But
So you
I
couldn't
am.
attempt all the questions.
Yes, ma'am. I attempt nearly 12 to 13 questions.
Okay, but still you managed to clear.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because I am good in programming, ma'am, so I attempt both the questions in coding round.
Okay, okay, that helped you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and how difficult were these questions, Ganesh?
Ma'am, first quant question, ma'am, I given average rating to quant questions because I am weak somewhere in quantitative aptitude.
Okay.
But after joining first in January, in month of January, I given assessment of Wipro. But after that, I joined Quant Master in a month of June. So I cleared
Okay.
all the problems in Quant Master sessions, ma'am.
Okay. So before joining Grandmasters, you had already given Wipro first round.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah,
But ma'am,
fine.
the sessions of interview sessions from Quant Master is help a lot for me.
Okay, that helped
Yes,
you.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. Yeah, then what about the third section, logical reasoning? How many questions were there? What time was given?
Ma'am, there is a 14 questions in logical reasoning and time given is 14 minutes.
Okay, here also you had 1 minute for every question.
Yes, ma'am.
And questions from what topics were asked, Ganesh?
Ma'am, in logical reasoning, there is a questions on sitting arrangements. Ma'am, I can't remember exact
Exactly.
questions.
And
Because ma'am,
how difficult? Do you remember like what was the level of difficulty?
ma'am, difficulty lies between medium to average, ma'am. Means
It was,
easy to
you could
medium, easy
answer.
to. Yes, ma'am.
You could attempt all the questions?
Yes, ma'am. I attempt all the questions.
Okay, super. Then what about the fourth section?
Ma'am, fourth question is writing communication. Means essay writing question.
Essay writing. What was the
They,
topic given?
ma'am, they given a topic of demonetization.
Demonetization. And you had to write how many words?
Ma'am, they told us you need to write in 200 words.
And the time given was?
The time given is 20 minutes for this
20
session.
minutes. Okay. Nice. So this was the fourth section. And you had one more section, right?
Yes, ma'am. And this session is easy for me, ma'am, because I completed my data entry in for typing. I completed my 30-60 typing. So, ma'am, I write 300 plus words.
Okay. Nice. Yeah.
Yes,
Tell us about the final section.
The final section is coding round. The first, they given a total time is 60 minutes for these two codes. First code is easy, which is based on array, data structure.
Okay.
I got a question on strings.
Okay.
Reversing the strings. So I comfortable with Python. It is easy for me for reversing the string. And the second question is depends on the algorithm.
Okay.
Like a sorting algorithm.
Okay. So
Yes,
both you could do.
Yes, ma'am.
And the time was also sufficient. You had 1 hour, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this
the time is
happened
remaining for
on
me, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell.
The time is remaining for me, ma'am.
Your time was left out. Okay, you could do before the time only.
Before the time.
Yes. Nice. So this happened on Jan 26, 2021.
2020.
And when did you get to know that you are shortlisted for the next round, Ganesh?
Ma'am, after a month, they give me a survey link.
Okay.
In that link, there in that mail, they mention, "Are you ready for the technical interview?"
Okay.
If yes, please fill the survey form.
Okay.
And they inform me in the month of August for the technical interview.
So you had to wait for like 6 to 7 months.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there was such huge gap, no, from Jan to August.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in the month of August, you had the technical interview, right?
Yes, ma'am. In the date of 21 August 2021.
The second round happened.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell us about the technical interview, Ganesh.
In the technical interview, interviewer asked me about my project, final year project. So, ma'am, my final year project is depend on augmented reality domain.
Okay.
And I also completed the project on data science.
Okay.
So, ma'am, the questions are related to the projects only.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And I told them I have code in Python. So they are asking me question on Python. What is the literals in Python?
Okay.
Data structures in Python. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everything, most of the things were related to your project, and then questions based on you. Since you told you're good in Python, questions were asked on Python. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What was the duration of this round, Ganesh?
About, ma'am, 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes. It finished soon.
Yes, ma'am.
And you could answer everything, whatever was asked.
Yes, ma'am. But some questions like on databases, I can't answer it because the questions are new for me.
Okay, fine. So yeah, when did you get to know that you are shortlisted for the next round?
Man, after 4 days, they mailed me, you are cleared our technical round. We'll let you soon. We'll let you know about the HR interview.
Okay.
And at the date of 1 September 2021, my HR interviewer heading.
1st September, the HR round happened.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell us about the HR round.
Ma'am, my HR is very cool, ma'am, because they are asking me about my family, also my educational background, and they also asked me about my project. When
Okay.
I told them my project domain is augmented reality, and I create the watch model by using augmented reality to help the e-commerce domain, to help the e-commerce market. So the HR asking me the question related to this domain, e-commerce.
Okay.
So which product is largely refundable in e-commerce domain? Like that question, ma'am.
Okay. So you knew about it?
Yes, ma'am. Means he told me in India which product is mostly refunded or replaced by the customers.
Okay.
So I told him first. I told him the electronic devices, but they
Okay.
told I don't want what you think, what Google told to us. So
Yeah.
I told the answer is apparels or clothes. So ma'am is happy after my answer. Happy after my answer.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, say what else was asked, Ganesh?
Ma'am, there are two or three questions. Introduce yourself. Tell me about
All
your
basic
family members.
questions.
And ma'am, in the last, they told me about the formal questions like you're comfortable with the 1 year bond. Are you
Okay.
comfortable with
Relocation,
her
time
relocation?
shifts and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So it was quite simple, the HR round.
Yes, ma'am. And the interview duration is ma'am 10 to 15 minutes only.
Okay. Yeah. So when did you get to know the final results, Ganesh? This
Ma'am,
happened on 1st September, right? The
yes,
final
ma'am.
round?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
After 13 days, ma'am, I got the letter of intent mail.
Okay.
You are placed in Wipro. Yes, ma'am.
So this was a very long journey, right? You had to wait for such long time overall.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Seventh
Okay,
one,
nice,
6 to
nice.
7.
So this was the entire interview
Journey.
process.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So do you have any tips or suggestions to your friends and juniors, Ganesh, who are trying to get placed in Wipro especially?
Ma'am, the first and only suggestion is ma'am, patience. Yes, ma'am. Because Wipro not contacting us with a frequent time, ma'am.
Yeah, they're making you wait, no, for such long
Wait,
time.
6 to 7 months, ma'am.
Okay, so your one good suggestion is be patient.
Be patient.
Okay, nice. And yeah, since you're a student of Quant Masters, would you like to tell how was your journey with Quant Masters, Ganesh?
Yes, ma'am. Telling about Quant Masters. I know nothing about quantitative aptitude, ma'am. I already told I am weak in quantitative aptitude,
Yeah.
numerical ability. But after attending this free sessions on YouTube of Himanshu sir, my mind is blown off. Ma'am, I decided to join the Quant Masters day after tomorrow. I called the Himanshu sir. Personally, I'll call the Himanshu sir.
Okay.
They suggest me to join in with the 2 to 3 friends for a discount for the group discount.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, I joined Quant Masters for the verbal ability, ma'am. You are there for verbal and logical. Sorry, for logical, ma'am. Verbal and logical. And for coding and programming, Shashank sir are there. And I thank you to you, ma'am. Thank you to Himanshu sir. Thank you to Shashank sir and whole Quant Master team. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you so much. And we are happy that we could help you get placed.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Okay. And once again, congratulations, Ganesh, for getting placed in Wipro with such an amazing package and job role. We are very happy for you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And also, thanks for being here, sharing all the information, sharing your experience with us. You know, right, how many students out there are trying so hard to get placed in Wipro. They
Yes,
will all
ma'am.
find it very useful.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
All the very best for your future, Ganesh. Take care.
Take care, ma'am. Thank you. Same to you.